Hello guys, this is ropinga_vvx. Please don't forget to like and share. Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to create invisible door effects using CapCut. That can help you get millions of viewers and subscribers at the same time. Please don't forget to watch this video to the end.
Hi guys, this is how to do the invisible door video. You go back to the point that you are coming out and screenshot. And go back, bring in the screenshot image from your gallery to the CapCut app, and then import the green screen. I downloaded the green screen from Google. You adjust it to fill the screen and go to max. Select right angle. Go to mouse, select right angle, adjust it to fit the door, and you now screenshot again. You save and screenshot, and now import the original video into your CapCut, and now take the screenshot image and import into the CapCut again, and adjust it to the point that you are coming out of the door. Adjust the screenshot image to the point that you are coming out of the door, and go to CapCut and go to Chrome. Adjust it to 100, shadow 200, intensive 100, shadow 200, and this is the original. This is how it is. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch the video to the end. Thank you for watching. Give thumbs up if this video is a helpful one to you. Thank you.
Hi guys, the channel still remain ropinga_vfx. Please don't